Hi everyone, I'm Crystal with ADEQ and we are on the site of the very first Buc-ees in Arizona. If you remember last time, none of this was here. They were installing underground storage tanks right over there. Those underground storage tanks are going to hold thousands of gallons of fuel that are going to lead down here to where you are actually going to get that gas.
That's 40,000 gallons times 6, leading down these very pipes that are now laid out, going to where those dispensers will be. Now, ADEQ inspectors are completing some function testing, also called the pre-burial piping inspection, which is phase 2 of installation. Here's what happens.
ADEQ inspector comes out and verifies that everything related to piping, STP sumps, UDC sumps, spill buckets is meeting manufacturer specifications. And we're here to determine that the whole system, before it gets buried underground, is tight.
Each of these boxes is sitting where a dispenser will be.
So today what we do is we fill those up to a certain level recommended by the manufacturer, full of water to make sure that they're liquid tight. Once the system is up and operating, what they have in there is a little sensor to detect liquid. If it's water or fuel, it'll trip the sensor and it'll indicate to the facility, hey, check this dispenser out, there might be a problem going on.
This is the first of 3 pre-burial piping inspections, a critical step in making sure everything is functioning as it should before moving on to the final phase in a few months. Aside from that,
what's also new this time around is the building over there. That's exactly where you're going to be able to get all your Buc-ees merch. You're going to be able to get your Buc-ees nuggets and that Buc-ees brisket.
You can learn more about our underground storage tank program at azdeq.gov.